Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are attending online classes regularly. Send me the attendance. Many are still not attending. I don't know why. Take your studies seriously, children. Start studying for your FA1. Only one lesson is there. Don't miss marks. We'll start a poem. What is a player? And we'll do with the lesson VVS Lakshman. He was a famous, profound old cricketer. Now we don't know him, but at one time he was on the top. All love cricket, isn't it? Most of them. So VVS Lakshman, ask your parents or your cousins, uncles in your home, maybe they know it. VVS Lakshman. How he played, what he played, how he struggled, how he started his career. You think they don't need practice? Even only in studies they need practice. They are highly qualified cricketers also. They study also, they play also. And they get money or they get very well properties and all by playing and properly investing. Invest your time properly in studies, children. So, what is a player? A player is one who doesn't give up the sight of defeat but learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. The paragraph clear means a player is one who doesn't give up. Oh my god, I'm not playing well. First ball only, I couldn't make a 4 or couldn't make a 6. Second ball, how can I play? They don't think like that. Okay, with full enthusiasm, full energy, they play every ball, every game. A player is the one who doesn't whine about their playing time. They keep on practicing and practicing, children, from years. They go on that pitch, on that area also, and they practice. Player, because a player knows it's an unacceptable crime. You see, when people scold them, curse them, when they come on the airport, they give them garlands if they do well. They give them bad comments if they don't play well. Everyone knows that, isn't it? It is an unacceptable crime. A player is one who practices game speed. In this much time, players must play in this way. How many? 4, 6. They plan everything. Nowadays, the speed is also planned. Always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. They cannot keep guarantee that in first over only that bowler comes only I'll make 4 and 6. No, but they keep on playing. A player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. They will be the ones who, once you see outside practicing, day or night, rain or shine, they are the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine. A player is one who has a strong and sensible mind, never pondering about failing, only contemplating prevailing. A player is one who doesn't chicken out, who wants to be in the game when everything counts. Now that is a true player. This poem is written by Jessica Taylor. Now this is a lesson C part reading. VVS Lakshman, very very special. VVS, the short form is, it's not a surname. The title is given very very special. Treat your success and your failure on the same wavelength. Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing consistency in your tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells this all to VV Subramaniam, one of the finest players in the contemporary cricket, has called it a day. For someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with the Velo for 16 years in Test cricket. So VVS full form is Vangipu Purapu Venkata Sai Lakshman announces his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of 2 Test series against New Zealand. He had to still play against New Zealand. He announced his retirement in crowd in media. This 37-year-old batsman, who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the number one test team, shares his experience and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sports Star. Sports Star is a magazine. Sports Star. What's the first question? They are already answers also written. They continuously asked, "What is your drawback? Why did you lose the game? If you win, why did you win the game?" When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? VVS Lakshman, it has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki, Syed Moinuddin Zaki, from the under 16 level itself. They made us play in the under 19 grade the same year, but it was a huge leap for us and very encouraging. Fortunately, by 18, I was the verge of playing for Hyderabad. In Ranji Trophy, he started his career with his friend. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 years of international cricket. It has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. The way he played, the way he influenced others, he started his career. 16 long years he played. Now, what's the sports star questions him? Continuously, the media keeps on questioning, who has been the biggest influence on you? Lakshman says, my parents. Their names are Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhama. No doubt about that, especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family, but the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. What did sport teach you? Character. Most of the time I hear sportsmen are very disciplined. The sports taught him character, to treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. What was the most important phase of your career? They keep on questioning him and he is answering it humbly. Sometimes they ask questions also very bad questions, erotic questions, to make them angry. But now the questionnaire, you can tell, is going on fine, smooth way. So children, character. What did sports teach you? Character, to treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obvious whatever I am today is because of cricket. What was the most difficult phase of your career? Lakshman replies, it was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. That was the toughest moment of life. Though there was always a dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Here, the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial, along with some of the coaches then. Next question by Sportstar. Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? Frankly speaking, the answer: nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into international reckoning. If you perform, you are bound to be recognized. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements? My parents and my entire family again. They, along with my well wishers, were always a source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed, irrespective of whether I was performing or not. Got it, children? Next question. What were your biggest moments as a cricketer? There were many, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as a number one team, but being a member of Indian team, which was the world number one in Test cricket at least, was one of them. The 281 against the Aussies, means Australia, in Kolkata in 2001 was another. That test remains the most memorable match for me. In fact, that test series was very special for all the players who for it was also the best and most memorable series. That series gave us confidence that we can be the best. Clearly that was a turning point of Indian cricket itself. Understood? When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number one side? Lakshman replies, it is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation. Suddenly it doesn't happen. You have to keep on practicing. Even your studies, your stitching or cooking, everything, which had come in 1 year. It all started in early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav. My first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni also. They all led by example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. We'll see the lesson here and see the homework for today. What was the most difficult phase of your life? Who was been who has been the biggest influence on you? Okay children, got it? Send me the homeworks by evening 5 between 5 to 8. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.